It was fantastic. It was easy, simple. I'm really happy with the results, and I'm getting lots of compliments about the hair.
This is Mag. He's 47 years old and had a FUE, follicular unit extraction or excision hair transplant 6 months ago. This is his pre-op photographs. You can see he had quite marked bitemporal recession as well as loss of hair in the anterior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. We now see him on his visit at 6 months post-op, and you can see the results. You can see the hairline. It's very natural. Very uniform regrowth, no scarring whatsoever. So Meg, can you tell us about your experience, please?
It was fantastic. It was easy, simple. I'm really happy with the results, and I'm getting lots of compliments about the hair growth. The team were fantastic. I've never had to feel any fear or any issues with the procedure. It was long but simple. The team made me feel really at comfort and ease.
So when you see friends, what do they have to tell you, or colleagues?
Well, everybody thinks that there's something changed on my face, and they try to figure out what it is. But eventually they get to know that it's the hair, and the procedure shows actually a very professional, well job done. And I enjoy it. Actually, I enjoy every moment.
And your barber?
My barber actually was really amazed with the uniformity of the donor area, and it didn't show any signs of patches. It was all uniform, and I keep getting compliments from my barbers actually.
So for any people out there looking to do a hair transplant?
I would say go for it. I mean, don't wait. It's really amazing. The results pays off really great.